Home Remedies presents 5 simple recipes to use ginger for weight loss. Ginger tea can help towards weight loss because it has potent diuretic and thermogenic properties, boosting metabolism and stimulating the body to use up more energy. How to lose weight with ginger tea? If you want to lose weight with ginger tea, have it at least 3 times a day and avoid eating sugary foods like biscuits and cakes and processed foods. On the other hand, it's important that you increase your intake of vegetables, fruit, lean meats, eggs and dairy. Additionally, include healthy fats in your diet like those found in nuts and seeds such as peanuts, walnuts, hazelnuts, chestnuts, flaxseed, chia seeds or pumpkin seeds, and fish such as salmon, tuna, sardines, and other foods such as olive oil and avocado. In addition to your diet, it's important to do regular exercise such as walking, riding a bicycle, running or swimming for 30 to 60 minutes at least 3 times a week. Now let's see some simple ways to use ginger. Number 1. Simple ginger tea. Simply boil 1-inch piece of ginger in a cup of water. Boil for 10 minutes. Cover it and wait until it's cool, then strain and drink. Number 2. Ginger with cinnamon. Drinking cinnamon ginger tea is a way to further enhance the weight loss effects of ginger because cinnamon stimulates fat burning and helps to decrease appetite as it contains fibers that increase satiety. In addition, cinnamon also helps to regulate blood sugar levels, decrease cholesterol, triglycerides and blood pressure. Preparation method. While start to boil, add the cinnamon stick also to the ginger tea as prepared in number 1. Number 3. Ginger with turmeric. Turmeric is known as one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant ingredients, bringing health benefits such as improved immune system, hormone production and circulation. Preparation method. Add 1-inch piece of ginger to 500 ml of water and bring to the boil. Once boiled, turn off the heat and add 2 teaspoons of turmeric, covering the pan and letting the tea infuse for 10 minutes before drinking. Number 4. Ginger with pineapple juice. Ginger with pineapple juice is a great choice for hot days as an aid to digestion. In addition to the digestive properties of ginger, pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps in the digestion of proteins. Preparation method. Put a sliced up pineapple in a blender with 1 to 2 pieces of ginger. Blend and serve it cold, without straining and without adding sugar. Number 5. Ginger lemonade. For warmer days, a great option is to make ginger lemonade, which has weight loss benefits. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 4 lemons, 5 grams of ginger grated or ground. Preparation method. Squeeze the juice of 4 lemons into a jar together with the water and ginger. Let the mixture sit in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Drink the lemonade through the day. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.